Meet Simba, a little kitten who was found alone on the street. Fortunately, a passing rescuer heard Simba's cries for help and saw that he needed assistance as soon as possible. Nobody had any idea what happened to this poor kitten or who left him here. But first, they needed to make sure he was all right. What would happen to Simba after that? Be sure to keep watching. When Simba was first brought in, it was clear that he had been through a lot. His rescuer quickly noticed that his fur was covered with dirt, matted and tangled from days of wandering alone. On top of that, his nose and mouth were blocked with stones and more dirt. A heartbreaking sign that he'd spent far too long crawling on the ground, searching for anything he could find for sustenance. The sight of this tiny, helpless creature tugged at the heartstrings of everyone who saw him. But Simba's fight for survival was far from over. Despite the hardships, Simba's rescuer immediately got to work, feeding him carefully with a mixture of wet kitten food and a bit of water. It was a delicate process, as Simba was smaller than most kittens his age. Each bite was a challenge, and they had to encourage him gently, ensuring he understood that food was a safe and comforting experience. The rescuer also needed to teach Simba how to eat independently, which required patience and consistency. They would often sit beside him, offering encouragement as he learned to lick and chew properly. But feeding was just the beginning. The rescuer put a tremendous effort into making sure Simba felt safe and secure in their care. They spent countless hours by his side, speaking softly, petting him gently, and creating a warm environment where he could feel at home. Thanks to their dedication, Simba gradually began to familiarize himself with his new surroundings. Each small victory, from taking a few steps away from his bed to curling up in a sunny spot, was a monumental achievement. Seeing that once scared, defenseless kitten grow into one that felt secure enough to lower his guard was a stunning sight. However, that wasn't the end of it. The rescuer knew the next step was to help Simba feel at ease outside of his new home and among other pets. This was crucial for his socialization. To do this, the rescuer carefully introduced him to the areas around his bed, letting him explore safely. At first, Simba was hesitant and would retreat at the slightest noise. But with time, he became bolder, sniffing around and playing with small toys that had been placed within reach. Each day he grew braver, showing curiosity and a willingness to interact with the world around him. Every kitten is different, and Simba's rescuer understood that he needed his own time to adjust. They recognized that his energy level was much lower than other kittens, possibly due to the trauma he'd experienced. It was a slow process, but with every tiny step forward, Simba was proving that he could rebuild his trust in humans and find joy in life again. Simba's story is one of resilience and hope. His journey serves as an example of how a little patience, love, and care can make all the difference. and though he still has a long way to go, Simba is proof that even the smallest of fighters can overcome the toughest of odds. His determination reminds us all that compassion and support can help heal even the most wounded spirits. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please consider giving us a like, tell us what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.